Hello friends, we are going to look into PS5 unboxing today. I bought the digital standalone version. I'm in Coimbatore, India, so I bought it through Amazon. This is going to be my review, unboxing and setup. First, outer packaging in Amazon was honestly very bad. I was scared that it could have damaged some parts, or I'm even not sure when I was opening it, but it provided all the necessary stickers, all the details. But to be honest, I was really scared. But then I tried to open the inner section and see how that is looked, and I was a bit relieved, to be honest, because the inner product cardboard box was really good. It really impact neat there, and it was a really solid cardboard material. After that, inside that also I saw that everything was packed nicely and tight, so that made me more relaxed, to be honest. And it had all the necessary components within it. So first we are going to be opening the controller. With it's a nice package and it looked really cool. It was undamaged, everything was brand new, and it even felt like a brand new controller, which is it is I really like a PS5 controller. And after that, we also received a DC adapter wire. This essentially be the power supply for a PS5. After that, we saw manuals. I had two different manuals and still I haven't read it, but you obviously can find all the information, images and everything within that. And the second manual showed all the setup, even configuring all the doubts and everything in with the images, so it might be useful for you to learn how to set up PS5 or if you encounter some issues. After that, I also received a stand which you can use it for PS5 because it is not a rectangle or a square shape. It is a curved design, so it is recommended to use this stand either if you keep it in a vertical or horizontal position. You can use this. You just need to connect this into the side of the PS5 and it will hold firmly. After that, I also received an HDMI cable which looked really sturdy. And after that, I didn't show two other things which I received. I also received a cable to charge the controller and also warranty from Sony. I will show it in the later video, but somehow I missed it when I opened this to the first time. After then only I realized and checked. I found that within the packages. Within that also, the PlayStation console was really in fact nice. Then only I realized I opened it backwards. Then I turned it upside down and it looked really good and brand new, and I was thoroughly impressed with the inner packaging. Only the outer packaging was disappointing to me, and you can see all the sides of the PS5 and how it will receive. These are the missing things. I didn't show it earlier. I received a warranty letter with all the code and information and a controller charger with the USB port and control adapter. So I kept the PS5 in a horizontal position which is comfortable to me, and then I connected the HDMI port to one side and to TV. You don't need to have a smart TV. Any TV with HDMI port will do. Even a TV without HDMI port, you can use a converter and try to see whether that works or not. After that, I have connected the power to PS5 also. So those are the backend. In the front, I'm going to insert the USB with the charger to the wireless controller. You can see I'm trying to insert it. I will do a quick closer look also to show all the wires inserted within the PlayStation. So you can see the both, it has two wires. One is for HDMI, another one is for power, and in front I have another wire connected for the front end controller also. But I found out the control was fully charged, so even if you don't connect it, it will still work with wireless mode. After that, I have turned on, I am using a MI TV, so depending on your TV, switch on the TV and select sources or input. Depending on your TV, this option will be on different position. I have turned on the button on PlayStation and automatically it has detected the HDMI 3 is receiving some signal. So I have opened that particular source and it will start automatically loading the PlayStation for me, and you can see it is loading, and this screen apparently will run only one time when the PlayStation is brand new and booting up for the first time. So I learned that from YouTube videos. So after that you will see something like this where it's saying to connect to PlayStation, and I have already connected it, and I just need to press this button within my controller and it will automatically get synced. Here you can select the language you want to use on the system on. I have clicked on English United States, and you need to connect to a Wi-Fi connection. This is a digital box, so everything need to be on internet connected to download game. I also recommend you to connect this internet because it will useful to download the updates for the PlayStation. And you can adjust the screen area here with the arrow button up or down. Apart from that, in the rest mode, what kind of option do you want to use? You can select custom or use low power or optimize, which I'm going to do in this case. Depending on your need, you can switch it up, and you will see a software license agreement. If you wish to read it, you can go ahead, but I got bored after scrolling a bit, so I exited out and I clicked on I agree and confirm. That way you get to agree on all the conditions set by PS5. This is what I meant by you need to update the system software, because usually with digital or even disc edition, these get manufactured and there can be a lot of update which it missed. So even before you getting started, probably bug fixes, improvement, by doing a software update, you get to have the most updated version of the software. So first it will download the file. It is 1.5 GB for me, 1.1. Depending on your internet, it will take time. After that, it will start a preparing section for installing. So obviously I think it will make some kind of a boot information for the PS5, and from that it will install. And you can also see, while waiting for this, you can use your smartphone by scanning that QR code. You can create a PlayStation account, but I'm not going to do it. I'm going to do everything through the console itself. Once that is done, it will automatically restart and you don't need to press any buttons or anything. Everything will go automatically and start installing the software update. Make sure to you have a UPS, because you should not turn off while doing this. I'm not sure what will happen, but I assume it might get corrupted, some software or something like that. So make sure you have a UPS connected battery power backup, so just to be on the safe side. After that, it will again restart the PlayStation for us, and you can see the PlayStation logo. We just need to wait for it, and it's asking us to press the PS button again in the controller, which I have done right now. It is asking to sign in. You can sign in or create a brand new account. I already have a PS4, so I am going to sign in my existing account, and I have two-step verification done. And once that is done, it will verify all my account details and everything, and it will show the next screen with my profile icon. Let's see. And you can see it shows that it has automatically detected my profile images. I can update my privacy settings here. You can choose whichever the option which is comfortable for you. I'm going to select solo. You can see the description on right hand side, but depending on your need, you can customize these things. And once that is done, it shows again what is going to be happening with this profile. And when I click on apply, and it will take me to the next screen. And again, data collection, I'm not a fan of it, so I only choose limited data only, otherwise it will send all kind of data, I think. But I choose limited data, so it only transfers any testing data which is absolutely necessary, like error logs and everything. So next, it's asking ways to secure your account. If you wish to enable this, you can do that, like require a PS5 login code when you log in up at checkout. I'm not going to do this, so I'm just going to click on OK here. And once that is done, we need to wait for the next screen now. And it's showing you family on PlayStation. We can set up that also possible here. And if you're already having some games in your library or from your Plus membership, we can download that from here or do that later. That option is available here also. Well, next it will ask for media apps, like it supports media apps. So what are the apps you want? You can download this later, or in this case, I'm going to have the download YouTube just in case for me at the start itself. So depending on your need, you can do that. Now it's asking me if I want to transfer data from another console. So if you want to transfer data from PS4 or another PS5 console, you can do that from here. If you click on learn more button, it will open up a web page with all the necessary instruction on all the ways you can transfer, what are the type of data can be transferred, what is possible instructions, all those datas are here for you. So following this information, you can transfer the data, but I am not going to do it. I want to keep this console fresh and new as possible, so I'm not going to linking to that. And you can see a welcome to PlayStation 5 sign showing on the screen, which makes it that we have set up the PS5. When I log into my account now, you can see it's asking me to download the control device, which the control is main attraction with PS5 with haptic feedback and all the motion sensors. So I also recommend you to update this as soon as possible to make sure that your controller software is also up to date. Once it is done, it will get automatically disconnected. Press the PS button again and the controller will be reconnected with this, and you can see we are now set up the PS5. We can see all the different things available for us, and you can see all the different things pretty similar to PS4, but still it's different, all the navigation location. Then I try to see all the game screen, how it will look and things, and when I think of checking out another one, I decided to download a game for me to play it out later. I will create an upcoming video on that if you guys are interested. I went and downloaded Ghost of Tsushima, and I saw it provided both PS5 and PS4 option. I can choose whichever the version I want and download and play. PS5 I chose it obviously for graphic optimization and provide much more controller. Once that is done, when I go into media, I see all the videos, movies and TV shows from the subscriptions I have those information from within media. Setting screen, it is pretty much same to PS4. We have all the controllers here, only the color and design aspect of it different, otherwise everything appeared to be same. Storage, I saw that it automatically add a default storage of 70 on games, others obviously system software and default settings, so you can get an idea on that. You can also have USB extended storage, but I'm not going to worry about it. But if you are interested in that, you can check that out. Sound option is available if you have 3D audio settings with PlayStation headphones or any other 3D audio setup. You can probably configure it. I don't have any of those. I am just choosing TV audio. Video also you can customize it, or you can leave it everything automatic. So accessory option is there. Depending on that, you can see all these datas on various options and everything. I recommend you go through everything, but by default everything works fine for me, so you can choose whichever the option you want. And also they have something called Astra Playroom in PlayStation 5, which is like a mini demo game to test out the controller to see whether it works, everything. Like they are going to be showcasing the new features of the controller and probably some graphics, so you don't need to have a game in order to test this. They are come with a pre-built basic demo for it. So when you click on that particular Astro Playroom and press any button, it will automatically show a message that it is included with PS5 and it will be useful to test out the control. And as soon as you see the screen, you will notice feedbacks within your controller. It will start to vibrate, move, and as the object pass by, you get to feel that vibration also, like the feedback of those things as well. So we use this particular demo to test out the wireless controller. It will show you various functionality like vibration throughout the controller. It will be keep on moving with the adaptive triggers, which is another main feature where when you hold and keep on pressing it, we will feel the shock on that particular side. Like it is really good to some kind of turbo boost or even shooting games and everything. So when you press 1, it will not go down. If you press all the way down, you feel that feedback, which was really good, and it improves the gameplay. And touchpad, it was really sensitive and it detected all the things. So even some interactive games, it has really good amount of touch feedback, like Detroit Becoming a Human. So motion sensor was really good. It was able to feel all the ways of I was moving. I moved the control all the way around and it automatically detected those as well. and it had a microphone option also within the controller, so we can blow on it probably or talk to it. And even I tried to downloading the game by giving a microphone a microphone requirement, and it automatically downloaded the game for me. So this and after that it will start doing a loading screen, and will probably start a mini game which it will give you instructions on how to use this controller and give a sort of glimpse on how the design looks like. So that is what it will show right now. Basically, in conclusion, PS5 digital standalone edition, I was really happy with my purchase with Amazon because it provided a great deal for me. I had the chance to use some coupons with Amazon Pay vouchers, exclusive codes, and I got a really good deal out of it. PS5, you can check out in the Amazon. I have given the link on the description. They run promotion from time to time. For me, digital edition is more than enough because I don't go out and purchase games anymore. I play every game included in plus subscription, and sometimes I just buy the digital edition, which is much more cheaper for me. And with the amount of internet speed I get with in India, I'm really happy with digital edition, and I got a good deal as well. So my personal feedback: in limited time, I'm still starting to play. The graphics is phenomenal, and the main point for me was the loading time was really fast. For example, I'm a really fan of Red Dead Redemption or Horizon and even Detroit. In PS5, I've found that everything loads very fast. There is no hold up or anything like that. Everything was fast. Only thing which I didn't like about this whole experience was the outer packing with Amazon. It was really in bad condition when I was first testing out, but at least I was really happy that inside that I found everything neat, even including the warranty bill and everything. So that is PS5, my unboxing setup and experience right now. If you have any other questions regarding PS5 digital edition or anything in PS5 or even PS4, because I do have one, like with comparison or some doubts with online purchase and everything, feel free to let me know in the comment. I will answer them as best as possible. So once again, if you have watched this video and liked it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to more videos like this. I hope you have a great day, and once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Cheers.